Hello everyone. Today we will discuss supply chain agreement. A supply chain is a system that connected to a company with its suppliers in order to produce and market a specific goods to customers. These networks consist of a wide variety of process, people, organization, data, and resources. The step necessary to get the goods, services, or product to the consumer in its original state are frequently so by the supply chain. How do supply chain agreement works? Supply chain agreements are contracts that the company and the sellers, producer, or manufacturer have discussed and signed. They set forth and hold each party accountable for their obligation and on criteria that includes but are not restricted to the person used to make the payment, the phase in which payment is going to be paid, the discount may be used on order that are placed in excess of a specific amount. The procedure for returning an order in the event of a problem or in any other circumstances. Business depends on supply chain agreement because they are the regulatory frameworks that guarantee the required resources appear in a timely and predefined manners, which is essential for the successful operation of organization. Despite this, many companies fail to properly design this agreement, which can have a big impact on the firm in questions. Supply chain contracts basically strive to streamline the flow of goods, information, money, and other inputs from sources to customer. They also make sure that the agree upon product quality in maintained. Important provision in supply chain contracts. There are few stipulations that are unique to each contract. These provisions are included in the agreement because they satisfy the standards of the sector similar to other contracts. Supply chain contracts include a few crucial provisions that are incorporated into them. Several of these crucial sentences are as cost and payment option, risk allocation, conduct guideline for the parties. As was already noted, businesses stand to lose significantly if they engage in illegal activity themselves or partners with unreliable individual. For the reason it is crucial to set code of conduct for the parties to the agreement. A code of conduct provision is crucial in the supply chain agreement because, for instance, a party could be engaged in child labor, which is perhaps against the law in the nation but is not desirable in the public eye. If this were to become known, the firm would face backlash and incur losses. Contract term clause of quality and quantity. Types of contract: quality agreement, license contract, product supply contract, agreement on pharmaceutical company, technology contract. Problem encountered in drafting such as contract: inadequate regulatory compliance, operation inefficiency. A contract drafting style affected people differently, so there is no established typical template for it. Aside from the essential framework of the contract, the parties can modify the term of to their own needs. Any extra data or phase that makes it restricted may cause a quarrel between the parties. Consequently, a good route should only include the party's desire.